लोग नए नए चैलेंजेस कब लेते हैं अपनी लाइफ के अंदर, जब हमारी लाइफ के अंदर सब कुछ अच्छे से जा रहा होता है। लेकिन जब से मैंने अपनी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के अंदर एडमिशन लिया है, तब से मेरी लाइफ के अंदर कुछ भी अच्छे से नहीं जा रहा है। मैं कुछ भी करना चाहता हूँ लेकिन उसको नहीं कर पाता हूँ। जैसे कि मैं डेली अपनी टास्क लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करता हूँ लेकिन मैं उसका 50% भी अचीव नहीं कर पाता हूँ। दैट्स द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम दैट आई एम फेसिंग नाउअडेज इन माय इंजीनियरिंग जर्नी। To make some changes that are difficult to pursue in the life. So it's time to take it as a challenge and to complete it in upcoming 50 days. This is going to be the Project 50 challenge. Let's see what is inside it, and I'm going to demonstrate Project 50 challenge in front of you all. If you are agreed with me, then make sure to like this video and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's see what are the 7 rules that I need to follow in this Project 50 challenge. Task number 1 in this Project 50 challenge is to wake up before 6 a.m. This is the first most work that I had to complete in the starting of my day, because if we wake up early in the morning, we get a lot of time to do our work and to finish our work in the morning time. So it's very important to wake up early in the morning. It's 6 a.m. Let's see I will wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. for upcoming 50 days or not. Number 2 task that you need to follow in this Project 50 challenge. I'm currently learning personal finance through the various YouTube channels and also the paid courses. So I'm currently learning it and I want to pursue it for next 50 days. Make sure that I learn something new, that is personal finance, in the upcoming 50 days. So I'm following most of the YouTube channel for that, and also some paid resources that I am following in the personal finance learning. Number 3 task that I need to follow, that is 1 hour exercise daily. That is 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the evening. In the morning, 30 minute slots, I used to do yoga that I had started from now, and I'm going to continue it for upcoming 50 days. In the evening 30-minute slot, I used to do running, because it's a kind of work that I do not feel it is a kind of work for a person like me. I'm doing it from a very long time, and it is more than 30 days of running challenge that we had completed on our Instagram. So I'm going to continue it for next 50 days also, that is running 1 kilometer daily in the evening. And task number 4 that we need to follow in this Project 50 challenge, that is to reduce our screen time. My screen time is usually 6 to 7 hours during this time, and it's time to reduce it, because this appraise your power of imagination, that reduces your thinking capacity also. So it's time to reduce our screen time. That is task number 4. And task number 5 that we are going to follow in this challenge, that is attend a hardcore tech skill, because we are in engineering domain, so we have to attend our tech class daily. For that, we are currently learning data structures and algorithms in C++. So we are going to follow it for upcoming 50 days, and let's see will I be able to complete it, because I am almost at the 1/4 part of data structures and algorithms. Now 3/4 portion is left out, so I have to complete it in upcoming 50 days. And the 6th and important task of this challenge is to upload a reel or a short on a daily basis to share my progress with you all, and also to track out my progress in the form of videos or in the form of Excel sheets. So I'm going to share a reel or a short with you all in the upcoming 50 days on our Instagram or YouTube. You can follow me from here on both the social media platforms. You can links are given in the description. You can follow us from there. And number 7 task that I'm going to follow for upcoming 50 days, that is reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which is a spiritual book that I used to read, but consistency breaks up when I come to college, and it's time to resume it again and to learn the major important life lessons from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. करना तुम्हारा कर्तव्य है बार So these are the 7 tasks that I'm going to follow in the upcoming 50 days. That is going to be the Project 50 challenge. Let's see what will be the improvement in my life after these 50 days. So if you want to join me in this challenge, you can go in the description and join our WhatsApp community, where I will be completing this challenge with you all. If you are interested, type interested in the comment section, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos in the personal finance, personal development, and also in the text that we are going to upload soon. So till then, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye. Love you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.